city is not a normal city. It's pretty screwed up. And so are we, and so am I. Some people call it chaotic, and I call it home. When you're racing a car, you're here now in the very moment. You're nowhere else. So you cannot postpone a mental process. It's happening right now, because if you do that, you're going to fuck up and die. So there's no way of not concentrating. For me, that's meditation, because I cannot get even close to that state in anything else. In music I can, but I'm still I'm thinking about what others are doing. I'm dependent on the orchestra.
A ty masz już takie... Nie.
They all are instruments. There's cars that make you go smoothly and slowly. There's cars that they whisper to you in ancient languages and make you do bad stuff. And there's cars where you just want to listen to.
Well, the 928 I got as an automatic because it's a Gran Turismo. It's a car that you can get into it and stop driving in Malaysia. I don't know, wherever you are, you can just keep going. And what I love about the 928 is that it's the most comfortable car ever, but it also sounds like a muscle car. I love the sound of it. That's where I fell in love with. And then the way it's so nimble around the corner. It's not a muscle car. It freaking turns.
I know it looks bad, but it's gonna look amazing. I love the design of this car. It's so futuristic. It looks like freaking Star Wars, and it sounds like the Death Star. Can you hear the choirs? Ta-da! From Star Wars, the menacing ones. So good. Oh my God, I can hear them. What I think I'm going for, I think it's because of the sound, mainly. Okay, another tunnel. Let's roll the windows. The tunnel is the concert hall for the car. So do I go play in concert halls with symphonic orchestras? To put the car in the best acoustic place for it to become the instrument that it was always meant to be. And for me, an instrument is something that makes you play differently. So you choose a different instrument when you want to play something different. Can I drift a little bit? They're all different, but that's why you want to play different ones. If they're all the same, you wouldn't need so many.